Hi there. As a part of Wing Tales, I'm very excited to bring out another book for you. This book is by Malcolm Gladwell. It is when like David and Goliath. So I was introduced to this book in one of the workshops I attended, and I used to be such an avid reader. I used to love to read a fiction book, but this actually started one part of my journey of non-fiction books. So here Malcolm Gladwell, starts the title as you see is David and Goliath, and people who don't know, there's a very old tale about where Goliath is a big giant, and it was part of Israeli and Palestinian war, and they were attacking Israelis were attacking Palestinians, or vice versa, one of them. Okay, I'm not so sure of the history. So what happened was Goliath was a big giant, and he offered they came with a huge army to fight. So he said that he offered the people that okay fine, we can do a single war, and whoever wins the war will be the winner of the battle. Who single battle, and whoever wins it will be the winner of the war. So the people were very scared because Goliath was a huge person. He was like a huge giant. He was really tall up there. And so what they did was they got the best slingshot. That is David. They called him. He was a small little boy. He was not that tall. He was kind of thing. And they kind of asked him to fight the battle because they somehow felt it was a lost battle. So he used to be good. David used to be good in slingshot. So to make it short, he with the slingshot, when he threw a stone at Goliath because of his height, because of his with his whole profile, he fell and he got hurt and he died. So David won the battle. What it shows in life is that we meet lots of giants because they might be overwhelming situations and obstacles which kind of make us feel scared that maybe we cannot really win this battle. But what happens is sometimes the obstacle which looks so big, it has bigger loopholes. So there are disadvantages of also being like a big obstacle. So in the same spirit, I wish you would read this book and give me your take on it. What do you take? They talk about a lot of different stories where actually people have been able to beat the obstacles in life and overcome it. How? This is most amazing, and they've showed real examples of people who've done that, people who've kind of gone through very different problems. So I hope this inspires you, and do give me your thoughts on that. Looking forward. Thank you.